If you are hearing about Biafra and you don't know where you belong, whether you from a part of Edo State, Igodo, you from Rivers State, you from Niger Delta, you from Igbo land, you from Calabar, oya, come here where you belong. You go hear the name of your own state for inside Biafra. 40 something, about 45 or 46 state of Biafra. Come hear am with your own ear for inside this video. My people, no be small thing o dey happen for Finland o. They say that the declaration don enter another level. I go play you the video, make you watch from beginning to end before we come back and continue. Stay tuned.
Fellow Biafrans, I hereby mention the 40 states of the United States of Biafra. Aba State, Adoka State, Afema Igodomigodo, Ahoda, Abakip Oro, Alansa, Aludo, Anioma, Branem, Calabar, Ebonyi, Ebube, Edo, Eda, Enugu, Epie, Esan Igodomigodo, Ezani, Iden Igodomigodo, Idun Ibon, Igala State, Ibani State, Ika State, Ikemba State, Ikom State, Ikumisia State, Itayanan, Iwere State, Iwuroha State, Odumegu State, Obuya State, Ogoja State, Ohabuenyi State, Ohuku State, Okiwe State, Omambala State, Olu State, Owerri State, Kwa State, South Atlantic State, Uroba Isoko State. Welcome to the 40th state of the United States of Biafra.
Thank you. We have heard of all the grievances that have been read here today. The untold hardship of our people that they have gone through, the lives that the lives that have been lost, the lives that we are still losing. As a member of cabinet, I stand here to affirm, on the basis of the grievances and of the referendum, for our forefathers, for this generation, for the next generation to come, I affirm the declaration and restoration of the United States of Biafra.
Good afternoon, Biafrans. And greeting to Biafrans all over the world. No matter wherever you are. And first and foremost, I'm sending my greeting to my boss, my Prime Minister, in the person of Mazi Simon Ekpa. Please, my boss remain my boss. If you do appreciate the man who I call my boss, Mazi Simon Ekpa, please stand up for him. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, wherever he is, they will all both be proud of us. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. We all know the reason why we're here today. And this is really going to be short because of our program. We finished our lunch. While back home in Biafra land, we have some of our brothers, sisters, mothers, children that are not able to have lunch, that don't even have the opportunity. So that's why we are here today, to fight so they will be opportune to have lunch, so they will be opportune to live, so they will be opportune to do what is right. This journey that we have come a long way, we are not going back. We are not going back. The terrorist government, the zoo called Nigeria, all they are thinking is that what they did to our prime minister, that will stop the movement. And they kidnapped our leader, Nnamdi Kanu, from Kenya. They kidnapped him and renditioned him. And the movement never stopped. My boss, my master, my prime minister, Mazi Simon Ekpa, pick up from where our leader, Nnamdi Kanu, left. And the Zulu government trying to bully us, trying to disorganize us, trying to destroy us so that we won't be here. But at the end of the day, we are here in Lahti, Finland. And the opportunity that we have to take our lunch, we want to provide the same opportunity for those in Biafra land, so they will be able to have lunch. There's millions in Biafra land that don't have the opportunity to even eat 1 square meal a day. And that will stop. That's why we are fighting. I, Mazi Ogechukwu Nkere, the finance minister of the Biafra Republic government in exile, and my fellow Biafrans, we will not stop. We will keep doing the best, whatever we can do to provide lunch. We will keep doing whatever we can do to make sure that the opportunity we have in the Western world to make Biafra land safe and secure, to make Biafra land where people can live and also have lunch, and also be able to feed at least 30 square meal a day. Please, fellow Biafrans, I just want to assure you all that our Prime Minister and our leader, Nnamdi Kanu, will be proud of us, that we never give up, no matter the bully, no matter the threat, and we are here to set the record straight. We are here to do the needful. We are here to make sure that Biafra is restored. Whether they want to kill us, whether they want to terrorize us, any weapon they throw on us, we will make sure we stand. During the opening prayer of our leader, Nnamdi Kanu, he made it clear that we should be strong. We should never give up. He made it clear that Biafra is here to stay. Please, fellow Biafrans all over the world and wherever you are watching from, be strong. Be strong. Don't let no one bully you. Don't let no one think that we're not going to be able to have lunch. Don't let no one think that we are not going to be able to feed. And those in Biafra land, they will have the opportunity when Biafra comes to have lunch. They will have the opportunity to eat 3 square meals a day. They will have the opportunity to live as human beings. They have the opportunity to live in a God-given land that they were given to. Please relax, be assured that Biafra is here to stay. And don't let anyone, any threat, nothing will set us back. Thank you all and be blessed. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Honorable Ogenkere. Now we call on stage Honorable Uchenna Obijiako to introduce the Biafra Prime Minister, Honorable His Excellency Simon Ekpa Njoku.
Biafra Republic! Biafra Republic!
Peace, unity, progress, and equity.
They said that the Prime Minister is inciting violence. They said that he's inciting us. But today he's not here and we are here. That is a statement. That is an exoneration.
Yes.
The Prime Minister is one of us who is taking the lead to get us to our destination. He's
the good guy.
Tony and the good guy. Tony and the good guy.
The good guy.
Tukwasani and the good guy. On this note, in his absence, please permit me to welcome the Honorable Prime Minister Obatobie, one of Biafra land, Anon Kankampi. Ochua Riobo Biafra. Woke Jejemba. Mr. Prime Minister, Honorable Ekpa Simon Njoku, welcome to the Biafra Convention.
Ichare Kondo.
Thank you. I think we have been able to demonstrate our love for the Prime Minister. He is so dear to us. Wherever he is, he's in the spirit with us. On that note, I call on the Chief of Staff of the Biafra Republic Government in Exile, Dr. Ngozi Orabreze, to come in and stand for the Prime Minister and to deliver his speech. And there was yours.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone.
We are here with you, remember, okay? You are not alone, okay?
Thank you so much, Biafrans. On behalf of His Excellency, the Peace Ambassador, our Prime Minister, Eba Simon Njaku, I, Dr. Ngazara Bweze, the Chief of Staff of the Biafra Republic Government in Exile, soon to be the United States of Biafra, and the de facto government at home, by the powers conferred on me by His Excellency, the Prime Minister, I'm going to go ahead and read his speech. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to welcome everyone to this beautiful venue in Lahti. Thank you to the people and the government of Finland. My name is Dr. Ngozi Orobweze. Our presence here today, let me see. Oh, I'm sorry. All right. I stand here on this memorable event in Lahti to welcome Biafrans and dignitaries from all over the world that are here present in Finland. Last year, we gathered in Helsinki to chart a new course for our people and fight for our freedom. This year, we are gathering again to review our progress and make definite statements about our freedom. The challenges we face are still enormous, but one thing is clear. Because our angels, Biafra Defense Forces and resistance fighters, have discharged their duties with utmost professionalism, the oppressors have realized they can't kill their way out of our quest for freedom. Their ploy to deceive the people with fake restructuring and state creation will not work. You all remember, we've been asking for restructuring for ages, and Nigeria have refused. Now that our PM has risen up, they now want regional government. Not for us anymore. None of these ploys will bring back the thousands of Biafrans the Nigerian state have killed just for carrying flags or on mere suspicion of being an indigenous people of Biafra membership. Just for being an IPOB, just for being a Biafran, Nigeria murders our people in the thousands. Many families have been rendered childless, motherless, and or fatherless by the Nigeria state. Many people have had their homes and businesses burnt or destroyed by Nigeria state. Many more people have died as a result of secondary effects of the pain and suffering we have had to endure in the hands of the Nigerian state. My fellow Biafrans, as I look back over 3 years since the abduction and extraordinary rendition of our leader, Onyendu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, MNK, and the severe suffering this act brought onto our people, I am saddened by the extreme cruelty the Nigerian state has unleashed on our people. We have endured a lot and stand to endure even more, underscoring our resolve to attain our inalienable God-given right to existence, freedom, pursuit of happiness, and livelihood. Biafrans are begging to live. We are begging to live. Not anymore. Not anymore. The Nigerian state has been anything but an impediment to all these ideals. Hence our resolve to exit the enclave that has never been more urgent than now. I salute the courage of Biafrans in the homeland who have borne the brunt of Nigeria's state-sponsored cruelty, particularly those that have paid the ultimate price and their families. To the Biafrans in diaspora, I cannot thank you enough for standing up for your compatriots and being a source of hope for the defenseless people in the homeland who are victims in many respects, including loss of our collective wealth to a select privileged few who then turn around and denigrate the people as miscreants. This sorry state of the enclave is the primary inspiration for MK's fight for the freedom for our people on realization that a fix within the current enclave and its institutions is impossible. In this regard, we initiated a self-referendum voting for our people to decide whether or not they support Biafra independence from Nigeria. This voting process started on February 1st, 2024, and ran through November 28, 2024. The voting just ended, the referendum. The full results will be out in the next 2-3 weeks to the world. The participation was massive, with approximately 50 million votes cast. The results of the self-referendum will be released later in the next 1 or 2 weeks. Once again, I welcome you to the most beautiful and most hospitable city, Latin.
See there for Blabber Gist. As you dey watch, make sure you dey share the video. Very, very important. So that other people go get the information and know how it dey go. We dey here to dey bring you updates back to back.